Under heavy security over New York, deposed Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro is transferred between detention facilities ahead of his first court appearance in the United States. Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores, were flown by helicopter before being escorted into a prison van under armed guard. The convoy moved through Manhattan as the couple were taken to federal court, where they are expected to appear before a judge later today on narco-terrorism charges. The appearance is expected to be brief but legally significant, marking the start of what could become a lengthy legal battle. Maduro's lawyers are expected to challenge the case, arguing he is immune from prosecution as a former head of state. The case could test the limits of international law and the reach of U.S. courts.